Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Explain with Itizaz. Today we are going to discuss about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? How many types of Bitcoin and how does Bitcoin works? So let's start. Bitcoin is decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individuals or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. In this article, we will explore that Bitcoin is the different types of Bitcoin and how Bitcoin works. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is decentralized digital currency that allows for secure and anonymous transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or payment processors. It operates on decentralized networks called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical algorithms to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins for their efforts, which are the circulated in market. So, types of Bitcoin. The first type of Bitcoin is Bitcoin BTC. Bitcoin BTC is the original and most well-known form of Bitcoin. It is the most widely accepted and traded cryptocurrency and has current market cap of over $1 trillion. The second type is Bitcoin Cash BCH. Bitcoin Cash BCH is a fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2017. It was created to address some of the scalability issues with Bitcoin, allowing for faster and cheaper transaction. The third type is Bitcoin SVBSV. Bitcoin SVBSV is another fork of the original Bitcoin created in 2018. It was created to increase the block size limit to accommodate more transactions and improve scalability. The fourth type is Litecoin. Litecoin LTC is a cryptocurrency created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It is similar to Bitcoin in many ways, but the faster transaction times has a higher maximum supply. The fifth type is Ethereum ETH. Ethereum ETH is a decentralized platform that allows for the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. It has its own cryptocurrency called Ether, which is called to pay for transaction on the platform. How does Bitcoin works? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain by a network of nodes or computers that participate in the networks. When a user wants to send Bitcoin to another user, they create a transaction that broadcasts it to the network. The network of the nodes then validates the transactions and adds it to the blockchain. The transaction is then confirmed and the Bitcoin is transferred from the sender's account to the receiver's account. Mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use specialized hardware and software to solve complex mathematical algorithms which validates transactions and add them to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created Bitcoins, which are then circulated in the market. Bitcoin is decentralized currency, meaning that it is not controlled by any central authority or government. This makes its resistance to government intervention, censorship, and inflation. However, it also makes it more volatile and subject to price fluctuations. Bitcoin transactions are secure and anonymous, but they are not completely anonymous. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain and may be tracked back to the sender and the receiver. To increase anonymity, users can use third-party services such as mixers or thumbles to mix their coins with others' users' coin. So we will stop our video here. Inshallah, we will discuss main type of Bitcoin in next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.